You tin-headed creep! Where are you? You are. Hold in. I got you. Don't move.
Hello, Edward.
Get out of the way, John. Shoot!
Where the hell are we? If you walk through this door now, you're walking into a world of trouble. And there's no turning back, you understand?
Yes, I do.
Good.
$2,000 thanks. I know I didn't win, Pop. I was sick. My ulcer.
I order you back to America.
What are you gonna do now?
I guess I'll have to move back with my mom and dad.
No. Wait a minute. No, you don't.
I can't unhear that.